Guys, for today's video, medyo matagal-tagal na rin pala itong latest news about Bilis. And marami na ring mga viewers ko ang nagsasabi na pa-review naman po nito with Bilis. Itong Bilis credit na to. Alam ko na po na merong ganitong bagong feature si Bilis. Pero medyo nag-hold po ako mag-provide ng video because niisip ko baka hindi pa to talaga release sa public. So nag-search ako over the internet and I found out na pwede na natin itong pag-usapan sa channel ko. Yun na nga. Yan ang gagawin natin today. Pag-uusapan natin ang bagong feature ni Bilis, which is the Bilis Credit Line. So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, sabi ko nung una, baka kasi mabenggam ako ni Bilis na i-release ko kagad to na hindi pa naman talaga available over the internet. And yun na nga, nung nag-search ako, nakita ko naman na meron na palang news about this Bilis credit na tipong hindi lang siguro napansin kasi ang iniisip natin, yung credit line natin kay Bilis is also the Bilis credit. Mali naman pala. May nakita po akong available materials na sa website mismo ni Bilis. And pag-usapan natin siya ngayon. So siguro dumaan to sa feeds ko na tipong
Bilis credit dati pa.
Well, yun pala yun. It turns out na separate itong Bilis credit na to from the credit line we previously have with Bilis. So, ayun nga, marami na ring nagme-message sa akin about this to review the credit line with Bilis, maybe because nabigyan na sila ng access. But pangunahan ko na po kayo, currently wala pa po akong access dito sa credit line na to with Bilis. Though, hopefully ma-approve po ang aking credit line with Bilis and ma-review po natin to ng with hands-on experience natin. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel, dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. Okay, so makikita sa website ni Bilis itong credit line na FAQ nila. Ito yung sinasabi ni Bilis about Bilis Credit. What is Bilis Credit Line? Think of it like a spending limit that resets as you pay it down. It's separate from your loans, lives on its own tab in the app, and you can use it over and over. Draw from it when you pay a merchant, and your available credit comes back after you settle your balance. Parang parehas siya ng current na credit line or the loan limit natin with Bilis. How is it different from my cash loan or installment loan? Cash loan is one loan per transaction, paid back by your salary day. Installment loans come with fixed monthly payment. Credit line is a revolving limit, one balance, one monthly statement, and as long as you pay the full amount on time, you pay no interest. So, if you remember yung pinag-usapan natin couple of days ago, wherein na-reach ko yung limit ng credit line with Atoma, which is the 200,000 pesos, in-explain ko dyan na currently, yung mga buy now, pay laters natin, meron siyang dalawang method of providing loans. Una is being a microloan, wherein every gamit mo ay nag-i-issue sila ng loan contract. Pangalawa is the parang credit card method, wherein meron lang kayong isang master contract na hindi na siya kailangang mag-issue ng loan contract every time nagagamit kayo. So kung hindi mo pa napapanood yun, please head over to that video. So, si Bilis ngayon, with this credit line, it appears na hindi na siya mag-i-issue ng separate loan contracts every time that you use this Bilis credit. And at the same time, katulad ng mga credit cards, when you pay in full, wala po tayo matatanggap na interest. Currently po, nasa pilot test pa lang din po siya, hindi pa po siya available sa lahat and gradually po itong pinoprovide or binibigyan ng access tayong mga user ni Bilis. At the same time po, when you have this credit line access, separate po ang credit line limit ng inyong credit line dito sa inyong previous na loan limit. So, ibig sabihin lang po na ito na hindi makaka-affect po or hindi mababawas sa inyong loan limit pag gumamit kayo to purchase using the credit line. Currently po, magagamit niyo po itong credit line through the use of QR. So, yan pa lang po yung available as of the moment. However, sabi po dito is ginagawa na po nila yung virtual card na yan po ang unang magiging available sa atin. Then, apparently, merong plan to release a Bilis card. When that happens, talagang direct competitor na ni Atome at ni Salmon si Bilis. I am also happy to share this feature ng Bilis Credit, which is itong paggamit natin ng Bilis Credit ay up to 62 days 0% interest. Same siya ng atake katulad ni Salmon. Work itong up to 62 days interest-free ni Bilis. So basically, by day 1 ng inyong isang billing cycle, aabot ang isang cycle ng up to 31 days. And after ng 31st day, magge-generate na siya ng inyong bill. And ang bill na yon ay up to 31 days to pay. So basically, meron kang 31 days before mag-generate ng billing statement and another 31 days na palugit para mabayaran yung na-generate na statement mo. So basically, pag minakount mo na first day ka bumili at on the 62nd day ka nagbayad, basically nakahiram ka kay Bilis ng up to 62 days na 0% interest. As long as na mababayaran mo siya in full on the 62nd day or the billing due date. In case na nagbayad ka ng less than ng full balance, mawawala yung benefit mo na 0% interest. Basically, kung hindi mo siya nabayaran in full, magkakaroon ng interest yung inutang mo mula nung araw na una mo siyang ginamit. Kung titingnan natin, this is a head-to-head competition between Bilis and Salmon. Later on, once the Bilis Credit is already available na sa mga user, magkakaroon pa to ng additional feature wherein you can also convert yung nagamit nyo ng credit kay Bilis Credit Line into an installment. Same thing how Loveit and Atome works. So kung titingnan natin talaga to, para siyang combined Atome, Loveit, and Salmon. Bakit ko nasabing combined? Kasi kay Salmon, wala siyang convert to installment na feature. Meron siyang minimum payment due. While kay Atome and kay Loveit naman, yung balance mo, pwede mo siyang gawing installment. So, parang best of both worlds itong si Bilis Credit. And I'm really looking forward na magkaroon ng access dito soon. For our question of the day, anong masasabi niyo dito sa bagong feature ni Bilis? Goods ba to sa inyo? Beneficial ba to? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our monthly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Kois Rojas. At Kois Rojas, sabi po niya, na-approve na ako finally kay Skyro Credit after 2 tries. Salamat sa tips, Sir Pat. Yan. Buti naman po na-approve kayo and congrats po sa inyo. Kay Kois Rojas at Kois Rojas, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Sana po nakatulong po sa inyo. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!